Hi guys, today I am telling about financial statement. What is the financial statement? The statement of documents which are prepared at the end of the financial year on the basis of the records prepared for daily financial transactions related to a business are called financial statement. Thus, financial statement are godowns of financial information of a business which provides necessary material for financial analysis. Traditionally, financial statements include statement of financial position of balance sheet and statement of changes in financial position are also included in financial statement in additional schedules presenting various financial information such as schedule of fixed assets, schedule of financial assets, schedule of long-term and short-term investment, inventory schedule, schedule of receivable, schedule of payable, schedule of reserve, cost of goods sold are also treated as part of the financial statement. Okay, now we will learn about some nature of financial statement. Having a view on the published financial statement, a common man understand that assets and liability of concern are shown at their real and assumed value in it. But this thinking is not correct because the financial statements are prepared on the basis of accounting principles, conventions, actual facts and personal decisions. Hence the financial statements are affected by the following fact. First is recorded fact. In detail they provided a recorded fact. Included recorded fact means records made in accounting books. The facts which are not recorded in the accounting books are not shown in the financial statement. Our facts are recorded in the accounting books on the data in which transaction is done at the end of the price in which is transacted. With the passage of time these record because historical records. These record facts include all assets and liability, revenue and expenses. Second, accounting conventions. Now we will learn in detail about accounting conventions. So financial statements are prepared according to accounting conventions. Many accounting conventions which are commonly used are stock in valued as cost or market value, whichever is less. Provision are made out of profit for extent future losses like bad debt and future expense profit are not taken into the account, like expected profit on the incomplete contract, etc. In the same way, a small item purchased for the use of official and traded as the expense in the financial year, purchase such as purchasing machinery, calculator, etc., although these are used of many years. Right now, and next is personal judgment. The figures shown in the financial statement are much affected by